Hi there. So we will integrate payment gateway for WooCommerce website. For payment gateway, it can be any country's payment gateway. So I'm using sisow, which is a popular payment gateway of New Zealand. Okay. So at first, there is a documentation for payment gateway integration. So on this document, I got a plugin for WooCommerce. So when I click the download button, it's getting redirected here. So it's a plugin of WooCommerce for free. So this is my dashboard. So on my WordPress dashboard, go to plugin, add new, and search. Okay, so this is the plugin. Actually, already I install and activate the plugin. Right now I have to configure the payment gateway for this site. So whenever you add a payment gateway, you will get it from WooCommerce settings. And you have to go to payment option. Okay. So this is the payment gateway plugin already. Sisow. Okay. So I got the option to integrate the plugin. I don't know anything how to integrate. Okay. So when you go to the plugin page, you will get instruction to install. So there is some slides there. So on second slide, they are suggesting you to add a merchant ID and merchant key. Okay. So I already have the merchant ID and merchant key to integrate it. So how you get it? You have to pay and log in for this site, and they will give you a merchant ID and merchant key. So this is actually a paid feature. So you have to obviously log in, register, and buy. After that, you will get a merchant ID and merchant key. So I already have it. My client gave me that. I integrate the merchant ID and the merchant key. Okay, I also have to put a shop ID. So this is not fixed anything. You can put any shop ID. I'm putting here at 0. Okay, that's all. Save changes. Well, already we put the merchant code, merchant ID, and merchant key. Right now, at the bottom of that, we are getting lots of options of every bank, every payment gateway of New Zealand. So I just toggle the button on to check all of the payment gateway. That's it. And save changes. Okay, so this is the options. Actually, just put the merchant ID, merchant key, and at below just check all of the options of sisow or any other payment gateway, whatever you want. Right now I'm going to order and check the payment gateway is working or not. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to a product. So I like the product, I will purchase 2 product and go to cart and then checkout. Okay, see lots of options already there of New Zealand payment gateway. Say I want to pay via e-bill. This is e-bill option, e-bill payment option, zero pay. And bank code is required. In free. So it's asking for my payment bank information. So already done. Everything is done. So lots of payment gateway already there by sisow. So this is the way to integrate a payment gateway. It's a paid payment gateway and it will include all of the bank payment of that country. So each country has a separate payment gateway. Lots of payment gateway that can be there. Say in Bangladesh there are 4 payment gateway, and 4 companies are working on it. And for New Zealand, sisow is very popular. So whatever is the way, simply just put the merchant ID and merchant key, and you can integrate all of the option at the below of the payment gateway. When you go to the checkout page, you will get the option to pay. I think it's clear to you. Thank you.